Hello, in this video we will see how we can connect Oracle and SQL Server databases in SSMA. So let's first open the SQL Server Migration Assistant. I will go to my Start menu and search for SSMA. This will open up the SSMA. So to get started, first you need to create a project in SSMA. So go to File and click on New Project and give a project name here. Let me give demo test, and here you need to select the database version to which you are migrating, right? So you are migrating from Oracle to SQL Server, right? So you need to select to which server you are migrating. So you can select any of the version from here. I will keep it as 2017 and click on OK. Once that is done, you will see two buttons are enabled here: connect to Oracle and connect to SQL Server. So let's first click on connect to Oracle. It will open up this kind of window. So either you can provide these details: server name, username, password, Oracle SID, or you can provide a connection string here. So I will go with the connection string option and give it here. And here I have prepared one connection string. So I will copy this and come to SSMA and paste it here, right? And I will click on connect. Once you click on connect, you will notice some of the databases or some of the schemas are already selected. So what you can do, you can uncheck this checkbox, okay? And now you can select whatever schema you want to migrate to SQL Server. So this will show all the schemas available in your Oracle database. So I will select my schema demo_user1 and check this box here and click on OK. Once I click on OK, it will load all the metadata and the available objects that are present in demo_user1 schema. So let me click on OK, and it will take few minutes to complete this process. So let's wait for it to complete. Once the processing is done, you will notice your Oracle database is connected here, and you can see inside schemas, if you open demo_user, you can see all the folders here: functions, packages, procedure, sequences, statements, and table. And I have created one table inside this schema, and I can see that table is also available. Once that is done, now we can connect to our SQL Server database. So I will click on connect to SQL Server database. And here I will provide the server name because I'm using my localhost. So I will just provide it. And I will give my database name here, DB. Okay, so this is the database available in my SQL Server database. And I can choose Windows authentication, or I can choose SQL Server authentication also. And there are some other options, like you can use Active Directory also to complete this authentication. I will just use the Windows authentication and click on connect. You will notice, you can see you are getting an error message here. That is because when you are connecting to your SQL Server database, you need to trust the server certificate also. Now check this checkbox and try to connect again. This time you will see the error message because when we created the project, we have selected the SQL Server version of 2017, but we are connecting to a different version of SQL Server. That's why we are seeing this warning message here. You can ignore this and click on yes. SQL Server agent is not running. You will get this warning message. You can ignore this for now and click on continue. And that's it. Now your SQL Server database is also connected. Now what you can do, you can click on this save button here, or you can go to file and click on save project, and you can select the demo_user1 here because you want to save only the metadata that is available in demo_user1. I'll click on save, and it will take some time to save this. Once it is saved, you can start doing the migration. Let me show you one example. You can click on this table 1 and go to the SQL part and right click on this, and you can click on convert schema. Once you click on convert schema, you will notice at the bottom window you will have this SQL. You can notice here it has successfully created this script for the SQL Server compatible version. You can see here it has created this create table, and this is the column 1, and it is using varchar 20 because varchar 2 is not supported in SQL Server. So guys, this is how you can connect your Oracle and SQL Server databases and get started with SQL Server migration.